Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 166. Choose the correct match of the organism with their respective characteristics, and the options given are: first option Spongilla, flagellated cnidoblasts. This is incorrect because in Spongilla, flagellated coinocytes are present. Cnidoblasts are present in the members of phylum Cnidaria. Option number 2, Ctenoplana, presence of statocyst. Statocyst is a balancing organ which is present in many aquatic invertebrates. This is a correct match. Option number 3, Pharetima exhibits metamorphosis. This is incorrect. In Pharetima, development is direct. Option number 4, Culex, calcareous exoskeleton. This is incorrect because exoskeleton in arthropods is chitinous. So correct match is option number 2. So correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 167. Select the representative of phylum Chordata with modified placoid scales and two-chambered venous heart. Placoid scales are present in contractiles. And the options given are silverfish, fighting fish, sawfish, and angelfish. Silverfish, scientific name is Lepisma. Silverfish is an insect, so this cannot be a correct answer. Fighting fish is beta, and fighting fish is a bony fish, and in bony fishes cycloid, ctenoid or ganoid scales are present, not the placoid scales. Third option, sawfish. Scientific name is Pristis and it belongs to class Chondrichthyes, and in Chondrichthyes placoid scales are present. So correct answer to this question is option number 3. Angelfish is pterophyllum, and pterophyllum is a bony fish, and in bony fishes cycloid or ctenoid scales are present, not the placoid scales. So correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 168. Which of the following is true for Biroi? Biroi belongs to phylum Ctenophora. And the options given are option number 1, presence of true coelom and absence of metamerism. As Biroi belongs to phylum Ctenophora and ctenophores are not true coelomades, they are acoelomades. So this cannot be a correct answer. Option number 2, absence of metagenesis and tentacles. Tentacles are absent in Biroi. Metagenesis is also absent in Biroi. So this is correct for Biroi. So correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's see other options also. Option number 3, absence of metagenesis and complete. This is incorrect because completes are present in Biroi. Presence of metagenesis and tentacles. Tentacles are absent in Biroi, so this is not true for Biroi. Correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 169. Which of the following represents order of Delphinus? And the options given are Artiodactyla, Cetacea, Chiroptera, and Sirenia. Delphinus, that is dolphin, belongs to Cetacea order. So correct answer to this question is option number 2. Even-hoofed mammals belongs to order Artiodactyla. For example, cattle, buffalo, sheep, goat, they belong to order Artiodactyla. Bat belong to order Chiroptera, and sea cow and manatees, they belong to order Sirenia. Correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 170. They produce internal body heat through metabolic activity, thereby maintaining body temperature. This means they are homeotherms. The categories represented do not include, and the options given are option number 1, Camellus and Canis. Camellus and Canis both are mammal, and mammals are homeotherms, so this cannot be a correct answer. Second option, Balanoptera and Felis. Both are mammals and mammals are homeotherms, so this cannot be a correct answer. Third option, Chameleon and Chelone. Chameleon and Chelone, they are reptiles and reptiles are poikilotherms. So correct answer to this question is option number 3. Fourth option, Columba and Corvus. Columba and Corvus belongs to class Aves and Aves are also homeotherms. So cannot be a correct answer. Correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question.